Fix DirectX error setup could not download the file in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Install the latest Windows updates. DirectX updates often come via the Windows Update feature, so make sure you install all the available updates. Fix 2. Disable firewall. Sometimes, a firewall might prevent users from installing certain programs, causing the setup could not download the file error. It is important to note that you should disable any third-party security software, firewall, or VPN if you are using any of these, which can also help you solve the issue. Fix 3. Run network and internet troubleshooters. The problem may lie in the internet connection. To comprehensively check your internet and network connections, use the following steps. Fix 4. Install the missing Visual C++ components. If you are missing some of the Visual C++ components, you should install them. Fix 5. Repair Net Framework. The Microsoft .NET Framework Repair tool identifies common problems that can impact the installation or update of the Microsoft .NET Framework.